Assalamu alaikum, all my lovely students of class 8. As you know that we have already completed 16 lectures. 16. Today, this is the time that I am over here in front of you for my lecture 17, Algebra, exercise 5.1. All of you look at the board and open the book. Class 8, Algebra, exercise 5.1. This is my lecture number 17. I have already finished 9 questions. Are you happy? You already know it because you have already done 9 questions. So today question number 10 and part number 4. We have already finished question 9 and also 3 parts of question number 10. Now I am coming on question 10 part 4. Look at the board. The topic is division of algebraic expressions. Division. Minus 2a8b5 plus 4a7b6 minus 8a6b7 upon 2a8b6. I advise all of you to open your book. If you will not open your book, you can't understand. That's why I'm saying open your book. This is page number 75 of your book. Okay, I wrote this thing over there, page 75. You are reading this question. See, this question will be done in 3 steps. Solution, step number 1. First of all, this thing, minus 2a8b5 upon 2a8b6. You see, I have written that thing. Have a look, have a look. How will you do it? 2 cancelled. A8 cancelled. B5 and B5 cancelled. This is B6. So 1b left over here. Students, attention please. See, B5 will be cancelled. This is B6. So B will be left. B will be left. So the answer will be minus 1. Why 1? You see, 2 ones are 2. but usually we do not write 1. So I am not writing. So the answer is minus 1 upon b. Step 1 completed. Step 2, 4a7 b6 upon 2a8 b6. Look at the board. 2 to the 4. A7 cancelled. A left. B6 cancelled. We have 2 upon A. Understand? Step 3. Minus 8A6 B7 upon 2A8 B6. I wrote this thing over here. Now 2 4 the 8. A6 cancelled. Left. A power 2. B6 cancelled. Left. B power 1. So the answer is minus 4b upon a power 2. See this thing. Now write the answer. Answer will be minus 1 upon b plus 2 upon a minus 4b upon a power 2. See, I wrote the answer over here. Look at the board. I hope you understand that. Okay? I am not running fast. No, not at all. I am waiting for you to understand it. Try to understand it. Now, concentrate upon question number 10, part 5. Oh my goodness, it's very hot today, see? Very hot. You have a look on the board. Now we are on part number 5. Long question. Numerator, denominator. You understand what I am saying? This is the line which is called upon. That's the line of division, divided by. And over part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Again, upper part, numerator, lower part, denominator, up, this thing, down, this thing. So, we say that this is upper part and that's lower part. Solution. Start going one by one. Step 1. 6x4, y5, z6. I wrote it over here. Divided by minus 4x5, y5, z5. You see, I wrote it over here. Have a look. Two to the 4, 2 3 the 6. So this is 3 upon 2. You see? Minus. So it will be minus 3 upon 2. x4 cancelled. Left x only. y5 cancelled. z5 cancelled. This is z6. So left z only. Answer is minus 3z upon 2x. Step 1 finished. Step 2 minus 8x5 y6 z4 upon minus 4x5 y5 z5. I wrote this thing over here and you try to understand. Have a look. How did I do it? So you better check it. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. Minus cancelled. You see what I am saying? Minus upper part, minus lower part, minus cancelled. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. x5 cancelled. y5 cancelled. So this is y6 left only 1y power 1. z4 cancelled. This is z5. So left z1 only. Answer is 2y upon z. You see, 2y upon z. You understand? Pay your attention. You see again, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. x5 cancelled. y5 cancelled. Left 1y only. z4 cancelled. Left 1z only. So answer will be minus cancelled. So answer will be 2y upon z. We have finished step number 2. Now step number 3. 9x6 y4 z5 upon minus 4 x5 y5 z5. I wrote it over here and I believe you can do it. I believe it. Try to understand. So the answer will be minus 9x upon 4y. Understand? Part number 4. Minus 10x 5y5 z5. I wrote it over here. Divided by minus 4 x5 y5 z5. You see, minus cancelled. 2 the 4, 2 5 the 10. x5 cancelled. y5 cancelled. z5 cancelled. Answer is 5 upon 2. Now write all these 3 steps over here. So it will be your answer. Have a look. What will be your answer? Minus 3z upon 2x plus 2y upon z minus 9x upon 4y plus 5 upon 2. Answer. Understand? Then finished. We have finished. Question number 10, part number 5, done, finished. Now I am coming on question number 11. Divide. Part number 1, 2a square plus 7a plus 6 divided by 8 plus 2. I wrote it over here. You remember? 2a square plus 7a plus 6 divided by a plus 2. This is 2a. First of all, we need 2 over here. So we will multiply 2 by a. It will be 2a. But here is a square. So we need a also. If we will multiply 2a by a, it will be 2a square. Plus, this is 2, so multiply this 2 by this 2a. Plus, 2 to the 4, a. Division, change the sign, minus. Cancel. 7a minus 4a, 3a. This 6 will come over here. So it is now 3a plus 6. The a is already over there. So you will have to multiply it by 3. So it will be 3a. That's why plus 3. Multiplied by plus 3. 3 into a, 3a. 3 into 2 plus 6. Change the sign. Minus. Cancel. So the answer is 2a plus 3. I wrote it over here. Now, part number 2. Part number 2 of question 11. X square minus 7x plus 10 by x minus 5. You see, I have done this thing over here. I explained everything over here. So in the light of my explanation in this part, try to understand that. I hope you can understand that. Not hope, I believe you can understand that. Have a look. X. You need x square over here, so multiplied by x. Now multiply by x to minus 5. Multiply x by minus 5. So it will be minus 5x. Change the sign. Minus, plus. Cancel. Minus 2x left, plus 10. This is x. So you will have to multiply minus 2. Minus 2 multiply by x. It will be minus 2x. Minus, plus. Minus 2, minus 5, if you will multiply, answer will be plus 10. You see? Change the sign. This is plus, this is minus. Cancel. Answer is x minus 2. Read the question. 12x square minus 25x plus 12 by 3x minus 4. Look at this thing over here. In the light of solution of part 1 and part 2, try to understand that. This is 12x square so we will have to put 4x. When you will multiply 4x by 3x, it will be 12x square minus. Try to understand. Try to understand. 4x multiplied by minus 4, it will be minus 16x. Change the sign. It will be minus, it will be plus. Plus minus cancel. This is minus 25x, this is plus 16x. So left minus 9x. And now this 12 will come over here. So, you see, it will be 9x plus 12. Now, 3x. We will have to put over here minus 9x, so we will have to multiply it minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by 3x, it will be minus 9x. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus minus plus 3 4 the 12. Change the sign. Plus, minus, cancel, cancel. Answer? 4x minus 3. And in the light of this question, have a look the question which I wrote over here. I am giving you a few seconds. Have a look. So I hope you understand and you can do it. You see? I have done part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 4 is in front of you. I gave you few seconds to concentrate upon the question. How did I solve it? So, what is homework now? Because I'm not supposed to do all the questions. Some of the questions will be done by me and some of the questions by you as homework. Homework, question 11, part 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And listen. Exercise 5.1. Done. Bye-bye. 5.1 exercise. Bye-bye. Finish. Finish. Done. And I'm your teacher, Sir Zishan.